Okay, first you're going to want to take off this little tab. I want to take that off, and then behind it is a screw. I'll show you. See that screw? Get your Phillips head screwdriver or flathead and start unscrewing it just like this. Okay, and then from there over here there's another one right there. See that? See the little tab? Time to get that one. Get that one out. Alright. Might have to maneuver around. Alright, this one's just finger tight. Okay, after you get that removed, then there's a little bolt down here. I will show you right now. Right there. See, it's got a star pattern to it. You can either use a T25 bit or a screwdriver. I'm going to opt for a screwdriver. I don't care. Okay. Okay, next is right there. Right there. Okay, and the next area is going to be over here. Right there. So just get that, loosen that up. Oh, drop the screw. Alright, it's all loosened up. Alright, now we're going to need to drop the hood. But before you do that, take this off. Just take that off. Just get it out of the way. Alright, now it's time to drop the hood. Well, before we drop the hood, there's this area right here, and that just snaps out. See those two snaps? They snap in, they snapped out. Oh. Pull that out, just like so. Got that water. Ugh. That's what it looks like. Careful not to scratch anything. Thumbs up. Okay, and now it's time to look at the madness. Yeah. There is the filter. Right behind here. Just like in the Equinox video. Yeah. Okay, I've lifted the hood back up to gain access to the filter. There it is in all its glory. And it is filthy. Wow. There's a little access screw. Little access thing right here. Wow. Oh. Okay, there's a little clip. See that little clip right there? You pull it. Up and out. And out of the way. Alright. Here's the filter. in all its glory. Very dirty, and might have been installed the wrong way. I don't see any arrows on it. No arrows. And there is a secondary filter down there. I don't think it's removable, but it's like a foam type thing. It is disgusting down there. I think at one time I might have put my finger in there and scraped at it, but it's like foam. Ugh. Look at this filter! Man, look how long that is. Look at that side. Look at that side. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Let's give it all beaten. Get all the dirt and grime out of it. And just throw it back in there unless you have a new one. I don't have any new ones laying around, new filters. So I'm just going to clean this one out. Throw it back in there. Thank you. Oh, look, it's broken in half. Woo! Your old filter out. Use the plastic piece that broke off of it. Just clean each little area out till it's brand new. Yeah. Okay. Just as this side was. Make sure it's as clean as the other side. Now, see the little plastic thing? This one fell out, so just put it in the way the other side is. So just kind of just put it in there. There we go, just as it was. And then let's install it. Okay, we're back. And install it. This one doesn't say anything about airflow, so I'm just going to put it back in the way it was. Oop, it's coming apart. Don't worry about that, we'll fix that later. Get it in there. Get it in there good, yeah. Alright. Okay. This thing came out, so I had to put it back in there. A little technical difficulties here. Oh yeah, there we go. We'll get this piece over here. It's a nice piece. Put that back in there. Nice and flush. And then snap that back on there. Go. Uh-oh. Those together. Okay, it made a little snapping noise when I pushed it down. This thing needs to go behind. Oh, it's a little difficult. Anyway. And then this snaps down as you remember. There we go, I'll show you. As you can remember, that little guy pulls up and over, so it snaps on. And do little adjustments here and there. Push this back in. Screwdriver if you have to. Push it back. Alright. I had to back up a little bit. There's a clip back here too. Down in there's a clip. See it? It clips over that part just as this does over here. So I had to take that out, put that plastic piece on there. Now it's on there good. And now I gotta put the filter. And it will be a tough fit, as it always is. Little by little. Part of it's broke right there, but who cares? How old this car is, it runs good. But, you know, push it all in there. Push that back in there. Make sure this plastic piece is back in there. And this plastic piece is back in there. It's all in there good. Don't worry about this loose thread. Don't worry about that. I just need to change it. Maybe I'll change it next time. But this time I'm just showing you guys how it's done. This plastic piece, it doesn't want to go all the way back there, but I'd say it's not going anywhere. So it should be good. But yep, that's how you do it, man. That's how you do it. Now it's time to install it. Install it back to the way it was. Know what I'm saying? Yeah. Thank you. Look at this crap. Isn't that nice? Alright. Put this back on. Over here, you get this part underneath there, and then you're able to get this over here. There's a tab there. There we go. See that? Yeah, and then put the screws in and you're done. Let's just do that now. Okay. Yep. Just tighten them down. You want to tighten them all gradually at the same time. Get your wire brush and just brush off all the rust and bits off your little screws. Alright. Okay, before you start screwing stuff down, there's little clips back behind the fasteners. Behind the fasteners there's little clips for this whole thing to go down into. They're at each various fastener, so push those down before you start putting fasteners in. Once you get the fastener down behind here, it'll all clip down. Alright. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4.